Alright guys, so this is a 6.5 diesel and I'm showing everybody the common leak point on these trucks, on the 4-wheel drive ones anyway. This 4x4 adapter. On the 2-wheel drive, this oil filter is just going to go straight down because there's no diff here. It's real nice and it seals perfectly to the block. Now the problem with this adapter is that when you undo your oil filter, it leaks all over your drive shaft, typically right here. I have the exhaust crossover out. I have the drive shaft out right now. I do have the transmission out too, but that won't be in your way to do this. But these two, this one will for sure be in your way to do this. The exhaust might be. I don't remember last time I did this with the exhaust in. But it's a 36. So you'll take this. Alright, you just have to zap it out. Ideally your oil filter's already out, but I don't have a wrench with me. I'm going to try to bust this loose and pull it forward. We'll see if I can do that. I have the flex plate loose right now, or the flywheel loose right now, so if need be I can just remove this and pull it straight forward. I don't have the tool for an oil filter at the moment, so like I said, I'm just pulling it out to reseal it and then put it back in, and when I bring an oil filter another day, I'll actually change the filter. But let's see if I can't get this out with my impact real quick. Oh, there comes the oil. Dang it. I even drained the oil first and it's still leaking on me. Two-wheel drive will just screw right into this. And you know, it's pretty easy not to have leaks when it's straight into the block vertical. And this seal right here is going to be the main culprit of your leaks, right? And then there's going to be another one right in there. There's 3 seals, right? And they kind of seal up that guy. There's one right there. Alright, I got a Felpro kit. Alright. Looks like 3 seals. Alright. All 3 new seals are on. Let's get it up in the right area. Where does she sit? Definitely would have been easier if I had the And there it is, all done. Fortunately, on these older vehicles, usually the only thing that's clean is the part you put back on. So that part looks nice. Everything else, not so great. But that's how you do that. Really not too bad. If you just do it any particular oil change that you come across next. But though all 3 of those O-rings were pretty hard and brittle, so I'm not surprised why this one was leaking so much. But you know, it's on there good now, and hopefully we get at least 50,000 miles or so before it starts leaking again, and then we'll have to do it again. But notice this is also a good time when this is off to do your oil lines right here, because the factory ones don't have the greatest reputation. So it's probably the best way to put that. But they're right back there and they run to the front. Now would be the time to do them. Or also to note, there is an aftermarket kit from LeroyDiesel.com, you know, that relocates the filter from here to further down the frame rail, so that's an option too. But just some things to consider, and generally speaking, the job's pretty easy. I wouldn't say it'd take you, other than dropping the drive shaft, really not too bad. So thanks for watching.